In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Calendar to your Squarespace website. This can be a fantastic way to keep your visitors informed about upcoming events, or even to manage appointments directly through your site. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Calendar. Once there, you'll want to head to the settings. You can usually find this option in the upper right corner of your screen with a gear icon. Clicking on this will open up a menu where you can access all of your calendar's settings. Now, with the Settings menu open, find the calendar you want to add to Squarespace. If you have multiple calendars, make sure you select the right one. Your choices will be listed on the left side of the screen. Click on it to open up additional options. Next, look for the section labeled Integrate Calendar. This is where you'll have the ability to share your calendar. You'll need to locate the embed code, which is a snippet of HTML code. Carefully copy this code. This is what you'll be using to embed your calendar into your Squarespace site. Now let's switch gears and head over to your Squarespace editor. Here you'll want to navigate to the page where you'd like to showcase your calendar. Once you're there, click on Edit, then look for the option to Add Block. This will let you insert various elements into your page. In the block options, find and select the Embed block. This type of block allows you to include external content by using HTML code. Perfect for what we need to do next. Click on it, and it will open up a dialog where you can add your code. Once the embed block is in place, click on Edit to adjust what's inside of it. You'll spot an option called Code Snippet. By clicking this, you open up a field where you can paste the Google Calendar embed code you copied earlier. With the embed code now in place, finalize it by clicking Embed Data. If everything looks good to go, nab the last part by selecting Add Code. You are almost there. It's time to paste the code into this section. Selecting the space means all you have to do next is use your paste function to drop the embed code right in. Double check to ensure the entire code is there, as any missing part could result in an error. Finally, to save all your hard work, click on Save. This action will ensure that everything you just integrated is now part of your live Squarespace website. And there you have it. Your Google Calendar is now successfully embedded on your website. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, keeping your calendar updated and engaging with your online visitors is a great way to interact with your audience or clientele. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials for optimizing your website.